Hey guys, hey, you know wherever there is a kitchen, we will cook. Well, this time, hubby's in the kitchen. Let's go see what he's making.
Your blessings, so they for my life. 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 I know they hungry.
Okay, y'all see the ingredients. Anybody got an idea? You got a clue to what's being prepared? Let's just keep watching. But I can tell you this, when somebody takes their music into the kitchen and they're dancing while they're cooking, you know they enjoy what they're doing. Of course, he had to get me in on the action, but hey, I'm always a willing assistant / sous chef. I don't know about you guys, but one of the things I have come to love about traditional dishes is kanda, or some of you may know it as pomo, I believe this is. This is the cow skin, and when it's cut right and cooked just right, oh, it's yummy. I love it.
I know they hungry, I know they suffer, I know they beg you. Now you where they do
So now we've got that kanda, the chicken, and the onion in the pot so that it can cook down very nice. Check out the feet moving.
No more sorrow, no more pain, you butter my bread, yo. I know they beg for food, oh.
Don't you know the food is gonna be good when you have a happy cook?
Now you where they do you take me higher, higher.
Come on now, let me see what's going on in that pot. Okay, I'll tell you guys a secret that my husband taught me. Y'all see all of that broth and juice in that pot with the chicken and the kanda? There was no water put in that pot. He puts almost no water in there. He says, cook it down, let the meat make its own broth. That way it's rich and tasty. Okay guys, we are getting close to mealtime. The rice is finished. It's steamy and fluffy and ready for this dish. Well, now you can see that sauce that he was blending up. Everything's getting in the pot and compiled. If you haven't already guessed it, yes, that's right. He's making one of my favorites, Nigerian chicken stew. Oh my God.
More music on starzone.com.
It is time to serve it up. Yes, I know you want some. I know your mouth is watering. Tell me it don't look good. Okay, here's a quick little view of our room. We are still currently booked at our extended stay. There's a kitchen here. It's a community kitchen, but the place has been so kind to us because we are one of a few extended stay guests. So they moved us from the room with the view upstairs to just down the hall from the kitchen and gave us our own key because we go in there and cook and we share food with people and that sort of thing. So you can see how close we are to the kitchen, and we set up our little table and stuff in our room and have our meal. We eat traditional style, which means we have one plate and 2 spoons we share. I love that because it's not a whole lot of dishes to wash at the end. Okay, so we're getting ready to sit down and enjoy this meal, guys. It's tasty. This is Nigerian chicken stew. If you have not had it, oh my God. And if you want exact directions on how to make it with instructions, ingredients, and all of that, join my Patreon. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Y'all come back and visit us, okay? This is Needles and Nourishment, Udunwa style.